Yo, what is up, boys? Today is moto vlog day. Now, if you saw by the title and thumbnail of this video, you already know what bike we are on today. We are on my 1998 Honda VTR 1000, aka Superhawk, aka Firestorm 996. Now, I'm a little bit nervous for today's video. I think I said that in the last video. Last time I rode this bike, I have not touched this bike in like 2.5, 3 months. So, you know, I've been on the e-bike and the tiny little Grom, and then this thing weighs like 600, 700 pounds. So I'm a little bit nervous to ride this bike today, and we are going to take it up into the canyons because one of my favorite roads of all time, because I haven't gotten to do that at all with the Grom e-bike, none of that. So let's hear her roar and let's get going. Oh yeah, baby, it is that time. I'm not gonna be going absolutely nuts, just because, you know, I'm not comfortable with it yet, and these are some, I don't remember this road too well. Basically, this eventually spits us out at a state park. So when I get closer to the state park, I kind of have to start worrying about cops and the speed limit and stuff like that. But for the most part, I shouldn't have to worry about that, so I can like start to hone my skills and learn my skills. Now, another thing that makes me a little bit nervous is these tires. This is only their 3rd or 4th trip out, so they are still kind of new, and they still have that goo on them. Not goo, but oil, you know what I mean? But as you can see, we're already starting off pretty twisty. So not gonna go nuts, but I am gonna try to relearn my skills slowly. It's so nice not having to worry about like people behind me, because on the Grom, it's like I always feel bad for holding up traffic. But on this, man, you're faster than 99% of the traffic on the road. Just a quick 80. Oh my gosh, boys, it feels so good. Wow, the new tires, dude, it feels so dialed. Oh, there's a cop right here. Ooh, they got him. Great, gonna have to keep an eye out for that. State troopers are the mean ones too. Oh, this mirror, I cannot see nothing out of that. Hello? I'm used to the Grom mirrors and looking at my bar ends, but if I put bar and mirrors on this, my mirrors would be like way down here. I'm so nervous about the oil on my tires. It's like, let me do some of these. Let me try to rub that off of there. Wonder what all this black stuff is. Try not to go in it, just in case it's slippery. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, boys. Honestly, I don't even know how much talking is going to be able to be in here, because it's like I'm trying to like focus and relearn everything. Relearn how to handle a heavy leader bike. Dude, it's crazy. I'm still in 2nd gear, and I've yet to be like close to red line. That is insane. Dude, the Grom would be in 5th, struggling to get up this right now, and I haven't left 2nd gear. Try to move our butt around a little bit in some of these turns. Try to get comfortable coming off the seat. I used to be pretty comfortable coming off the seat. Now I don't. Now not so much. Oh, I see sand. Hold on. No. Gotta remember that's there. Now I know there's a steep turn coming up here. I remember this one vividly. It's a hard right and then hard left. Yep, super hard left. Could have taken that with more speed, but you know, we're learning again. We're learning. I'm taking you along with me to relearn how to ride this beast. Yeah, so now we're coming up on like this mountain section, which I really like this part. It's like very open, you see what I mean? Like it's just us and a guardrail. I like when there's no guardrail, but it is what it is, you know. Right here is where the stalling incident happened, literally in the middle of this turn, where this car is. Right there is where it happened. Oh God, I installed it. That was embarrassing. Ooh, get a little frisky. Gotta trust these brakes or I'm dead. Oh, hello. I love straightaways. Ooh, a lot of sand. Oh, no, you don't, buddy. Let's see. Threading the needle. Whew. Wow, this is such a beautiful ride though. Like, I haven't done this ride in the summer in quite a while, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'll be honest, boys. Now that I'm kind of mellowing out, letting the adrenaline come down just a little bit, my back hurts. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay. Oh, it makes me sad, man. It makes me sad. It's like I'm like slowly watching myself get older and not be able to. I mean, I'm gonna do this, right? I'm gonna do it, pain or not. I'm gonna ride this bike. I don't care. But it sucks that it's not like I don't have like these rubber band bones and stuff that I used to when I was a kid, man. Like skateboarding a bunch and stuff like that, man. I could fall super hard and get up and be just fine. And now it's like I take one fall and it's like, woo, okay, hang on a second. Let me recover for a couple days. You know what I'm saying? Let's just lay down for a minute. Look at this view, boys. I mean, like, look at this. Look. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. I mean, it really doesn't. Like, oh my goodness. It is just so beautiful. Like, could you imagine, like, just living up here? Like, that is just so beautiful. Wow. All right, here we are. Welcome to your Golden Gate Canyon State Park. So we've made it to the state park. Oh, I got my beard hair being painted. Owie! Ah, oh, ouch. Bing bang. Is there parking by the lake? There is. There's old people over there. We'll try to be quiet for them. Old people, you know, they can be kind of picky, you know what I mean? I mean, look at that lake though, boys. Come on, you know? With the mountain drop like that. Oh gosh, I love it. I'm gonna get my helmet off for a minute, let the bike chill, change camera batteries, and I will see you back on the road. We're gonna go mellow on the way down the mountain and just relax a little bit, you know? Oh wait, hold on. I forgot to do my check. Usually I do it off camera, but my camera's on, so let's do the check. Solid, no leaking. Solid. So you guys can see, I think you can see the farthest I've gone where all the oil and stuff is. So yeah, gotta be a little bit careful. All right, boys, let's go. While we're riding back, I had an idea to run past some of you guys. Now, if you don't know, and if you are new here, believe it or not, I have and I still have it, a gaming channel. Now, the reason I say that and the reason that I mention that, you're probably wondering why I'm doing this instead of it on the bike. I talked about it on the bike, but I think I left my visor open and the wind was just unbearable, so you could hardly hear me. So why I mentioned that is because my girlfriend and I's 1 year anniversary just came up, and she bought me something that I have never owned before. She bought me a gaming computer. Now, once I figure it out, and me and Stone, he's actually behind me here editing a video also, me and Stone have figured out how to kind of record our gameplay and record some moments, and we already have some funny moments that I'm going to show you in a second. But I just thought to get your guys' opinion, if you would like to see the gaming channel come back. Now, on occasionally, since winter is coming up, on snow days and stuff like that, or off days, it can be kind of fun to stream every now and then, or bring the gaming channel back somewhat. It's not going to affect this one at all. This channel will always be the main priority, but I think it'd be kind of fun to do that sort of thing because I've gamed all my life and I truly enjoy them. And now that I've figured out kind of how to record and how to use a face cam and mic and get all that stuff set up, I think it could be kind of fun. So if you made it this far, let me know your opinion and enjoy some of these funny gaming clips me and Stone got while we were trying to figure all this stuff out.
This can be a ballroom, bro. I'll dance for the monsters. What is it? What is it? Stone, what is that? What is it? Great. So that's our only way out of here.
It's over there. It's by that jar of pickles.
Oh! Go! 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 Go!
Are you dead?
Are you dead?
No.
Are you dead?
There's no way he's dead, Chad. There's no way. Ah! He's dead.
And if you're on Steam and you're, you know, stuff like that, add my Steam. It's the same that it is on every single platform except TikTok for some reason. Feel free to add me. And just like that, boys, we are out. Woo, that was a long ride. I'm not gonna lie. That was a pretty long and tough ride, boys. I'm not gonna lie. All right, boys, we are hooked up and synced. I am sore. Am I just getting old or is it this bike? Like, I don't know. I don't know which one it is, to be honest with you. That dude looked like the guy from one of the... Wait, that guy looked like the criminal from Home Alone. Is that mean? Wait, that dude looked exactly like that. Anyway, all right, boys, but I'm basically back where I want to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying to relearn how to ride a big bike and, you know, seeing if I could still do it. I think I still got it a little bit, you know, a little rusty, but I kind of got it. So you already know the drill. If you enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. And I will see you in the next one. Later.